Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks for social media growth. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to grow your Instagram account. Instagram is one of the most popular social media platforms out there, and it can be a great tool for promoting your business, personal brand, or just sharing your life with others. So, whether you're starting from scratch or you're looking to boost your existing account, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Optimize your profile. The first step in growing your Instagram account is to optimize your profile. This means making sure your bio is complete and includes relevant keywords and hashtags. You should also have a clear profile picture and a username that's easy to remember. It's also important to have a consistent theme or aesthetic throughout your profile. Step 2. Create quality content. The second step is to create quality content. Instagram is a visual platform, so your content should be eye-catching and engaging. This means taking high-quality photos, using filters and editing tools to enhance them, and creating captions that tell a story or inspire your followers. Step 3. Use hashtags and geotags. The third step is to use hashtags and geotags. Hashtags can help your posts get discovered by people who are interested in the same topics as you. Geotags can help you reach a local audience or connect with people who are in the same location as you. It's important to use relevant hashtags and geotags that are related to your content. Step 4. Engage with your followers. The fourth step is to engage with your followers. This means responding to comments, liking and commenting on other people's posts, and using Instagram stories to connect with your audience. Engaging with your followers can help you build a community and increase your visibility on the platform. Step 5. Post consistently. The fifth and final step is to post consistently. You don't need to post every day, but it's important to have a consistent posting schedule. This can help you stay top of mind with your followers and increase your visibility on the platform. You can use Instagram Insights to see when your followers are most active and adjust your posting schedule accordingly. Conclusion, and that's it. Those are our tips for growing your Instagram account. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a following on any social media platform, but if you follow these steps and stay consistent, you'll be on your way to Instagram success in no time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.